Hey guys, it's Kayla Wall with Wild Adventures, and we're getting ready to do some fishing on the boat. Stick around, check it out. Alright, so getting the boat loaded up to go out. I got a little bit of live mullet I'm going to use, and getting some shrimp and squid, things like that as well. We're going to try and go to the port, do some bottom fishing. We'll go around and see what else we can fish at, but we're fishing today on the boat, then we'll probably go out tomorrow and the weekend. So this video will be like a couple of days of fishing out on the boat. So the last time we were fishing on the boat, we had a whole bunch of difficulties. So here is the update. All right, so we got the Talon back on the boat. As you can see, it's working better now. So what happened was all the cable inside of it was rusted and it snapped when we were out last time. So now it's all fixed, good to go. But we won't use it in the port because the port is like 50 foot of water. But if we go anywhere else with some shallow water, we'll use it. So we'll get the boat loaded up and head out. Alright, so the port's a little busy today, so we're off to the side of the port. We've been fishing over here before. This is like Radio Island. It's all the rocks and stuff over here. We caught some trout over here before, little trout. It's a guy over there fishing. But yeah, as I get knocked in the head. Alright, I'm gonna throw in that mullet, see what we get with it.
Something beat it. Look. Sure did. Alright.
You got
my ankle's too long.
No, it's alright. Got Audrey Jr. out here. Every time Audrey feels a bite, she pulls on it like, ah! I got one too. I got one too.
It's a little baby. Look at it. That's what I got.
Oh no, it's a puffer fish. Yeah, I got one too. Hold on. Well, I had one. Lord. No pinfish. Oh my god.
I got one.
Something trying to chase after my mess. I got
Everybody got one. Really hit my phone.
Hold on.
Lose it.
Make sure he's on there. I mean, I had something chasing him or going after him. He on there. Did he bite? Did he bite? He get bit? He get 8. He got 8.
Yeah.
He got 8.
They've been living for a long time. Kylie, you've been taking a nap too long.
I haven't taken. No, I mean, I was watching y'all.
Well, keep them on there.
I'm going to. I'm gonna
just blood everywhere. Do it over the thing, baby.
I'm redoing them.
I never drip it over the blood over the thing.
Maybe something will eat that. Well, I'm actually I'm gonna put it on my other pole. He's still moving.
No, he's dead.
No.
No.
He's still moving.
Good. We got everything.
Alright, let's throw this one out there. Let's see. Something will eat the rest of him. Alright. Chuck this thing out there. Got a little panfish.
number 2.
Darn got it made in the trailer here.
Cheers.
So we moved right up under the bridge. We tied off to the rope up there. Get in the shade a little bit.
Need a snack.
Alright, Drew got something. Hopefully something good. Oh my God. Lord. I don't know.
Wow.
Oh!
A bigger pinfish.
He got a pig fish.
Oh, yeah, he's so deep.
Oh, looky that.
What?
I got a little, looks like a mangrove snapper. Or a little,
Got a fish.
look at him. His little mangrove snapper going on, I think. I think that's what he is. He looks like it. A juvenile one. There you go. Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Good, right.
Thank you. Yeah. Ooh. Huh?
Sheep head.
I hope it is. Ooh. No, oh.
Oh, man.
It's a,
Go back that way. Go back that way.
it's a gross toadfish.
Oh my God.
Look at that thing. That thing is nasty. Hand me your pliers for that thing. Ugh. Yeah, hold the pole. Ugh. He's big.
What you got on?
Good Lord.
That towel around. So he ain't seen the daylight in a while. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Lord have mercy.
Hang on, darling.
That's all of that. Hold on, good.
I got it.
I don't know if that nasty.
Oh God, it's touching me. Hang on, give me those D-hooker ones because these ain't doing nothing. So the GoPro died, but that was an ugly toadfish that we caught. God, I hate them things. Hey, it's where'd it go? It is right there on my fishing pole. Toadfish. That thing took off. I don't know if he's still on there or not, but he took off.
Oh,
Oh no, he took all my, he took my whole thing off. He ran with it though, I know that much. Yeah.
Took everything.
Well, yeah, that thing took off. Well, he darted up under the boat. If he had gone that way, it'd have been a different story. Yeah. Well, I couldn't because my drag was
I need
loose.
to get some heavier fish line.
And my drag was loose. If I didn't have it that loose, it would have. Well, here, hold that then. All right, so we're heading back home. Caught a little fish, and I caught that toadfish, and then I caught something on there, and my line just. I had the drag a little. I thank God I had it loose because if I didn't, it would have snatched out my hand. But I think I had it too loose. I was not expecting that, but yeah. So we're going back in the house, and we'll come back out later again this week and do some more fishing. So we see you on the next boat fishing trip. All right, so due to the hurricane that just came through, the water is very murky. All of the spill from the river is at the coast now, so fishing is kind of slowed down a little bit, but we're not going to take the boat back out because it's really windy today. So we're going to finish this video fishing off the dock. See what we can catch off the dock. I'm actually trying a new setup. I got a 3-way swivel, so it's kind of set up like this. I think this is correct. I don't know. We'll see. So I got my main line, and then it anchors down to my weight. I got the spunk nut weight because it's so windy, and the tide is moving really fast, so maybe it'll hold my mess down. And then I got a hook over here, so it'll kind of sit here like this. I don't know if you can see it, but like here. So it'll sit on the ground like that, and then have this floating off to the side. So I'm gonna put a live minnow on here, or live finger mullet, and see what happens, and throw it out there. All right, so I got my live mullet on there. He's hooked through the front of the eyes, so it doesn't kill him. All right, let's see what we can do with this. I don't know. All right, so yeah, this is my little makeshift pole holder for right this second. I'm going to keep them right behind the boat, see if anything will come and grab them. I got my drag pretty loose on there, so hopefully it won't. If something does get them, hopefully my pole won't go flying. But I'm going to get another pole set and put some cut bait on it. All right, I got my little Carolina rig up here. I'm going to put some cut bait on it. Fresh cut bait, and right out of the box. Let's see what we can catch on the cut bait. You can see behind the boat how murky that water is. It's normally clear. I got something nibbling. So like I said, yeah, the hurricane came through here before I came to North Carolina, and they opened up the dam in Raleigh and all that spillage. I mean, you can see where it's meeting over there. You could definitely see it like in, oh, Moorhead. Oh. Is he on there? Is he on there? I think he on there still, maybe. Oh, nah. He was on there. He hit that thing hard though. Ooh. Is he on there still? Nope, he ain't my mess. I'm gonna put a smaller hook on there. Maybe that would help. I got a smaller hook, small piece of cut bait. is gone. Oh no! Hurry up! I don't think anything's going to eat this mullet head. So, get another damn mullet. Oh, you alive still. That one dead? Yeah. I don't know. I saw him chasing it.
Gotta go get it for him. Poor guy. Poor guy.
I mean, it moved fast. I said it was moving fast. Yeah, they're getting, they're. Oh, Stephanie's on up on the. Stephanie's on the rescue. Yeah, it is. That current is strong too. Stephanie's on the rescue to get the raft. They're yelling at her. A bunch of minnows just ran right there. They're all yelling at her. She's coming back with it. Hopefully that thing don't take off on her. The wind's so strong. It's like a kite. They lost their two and Stephanie went to go get it. No. Yeah. Yeah, I think they were trying to leave.
Trying to get out of here, how bad it, how hard it was.
Yeah, that's what I
It
was.
threw up against the dock.
Yeah, it did. That's what I was saying. It's just.
I was like, you guys did. You got no way you're gonna get it.
Maybe you got something that. Nope.
But
I keep getting nibbles, but.
They were gonna go get it.
Yeah, they were trying to go get it, but the current is so strong through here. Yeah, I'm surprised it hasn't taken off with her.
Now she gotta try to get up in there.
I know. That's the only. Saving the day. Just Stephanie saving the day. Nothing. Yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, that was out there. You know what? There's a school of mullet running right there. Little ripples. That's the mullet running out. There comes the speedboat. If you can see, but there's all that mullet running that way. They come through there a lot. No, I'm good. Everyone's rescuing everything today.
I had that thing up there. He's gonna park his boat out there, so he'll bring it in. So.
That's fine. There's a whole bunch of mullet right there. Swimming. I know, right? That's the second rescue today. One of their tubes shot down that way, and Stephanie got on the jet ski and grabbed it for him. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I appreciate it, man. You're welcome. I was just looking at that hat and thinking how long she's had that hat. Good timing, I'm glad I'm out there.
What'd you catch? A little sand perch. Yeah, eating that fish gum. I told Darlene, it's almost my hat flew off and it got in the water. The neighbor had to go grab it. I told Darlene, I said, it's too windy to wear a hat. You gotta wear a hat. It's too windy. It's too windy. Uh-oh, you got two. Two pinfish.
That's a bait.
Yeah. Another one.
It's getting bigger by the square. Like last night, but wind blowing.
Yeah.
Try to throw out, you know, and
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. What's the report? Yeah, I got one now. Sand perch. Thank God I finally caught one. Jeez. Jesus. It's been that kind of day. Got another one, got another one. Big, huge pinfish. Big old pinfish. That dog over there laying. That dog laying in his dirt, the sand.
I'm running a little bit.
That's a bigger one. Big little pinfish. Alright guys, it is what it is. Like I said, the hurricane came through and Raleigh opened up the dam and made the water murky as crap. But we had some really good fishing earlier this week. But I mainly just wanted to give y'all an update on the boat since the last video that dropped showed the boat having issues. But yeah, so saw some interesting stuff. Saw an ugly toadfish. That thing was huge. That's the biggest toadfish I've ever caught ever. Even though I've been catching toadfish all week in the crab pots. Saw a whole bunch of rescues today. My hat flew off. The neighbor's son got it for me, and people on the sandbar out there, their little floaty went away, and Stephanie got on a jet ski and rescued it. Been a crazy weekend. Alright guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you would greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It helps our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And below this video you can see some of our merch, and in the description below there's a link to the merch shop itself. We have some cool fishing stuff out. They are performance shirts for men and women. On the back of it's got two guys on the boat, and it says I'd rather be fishing than at work. So yeah, so check those out. And you can also send us a message on Facebook so you can get your very own Wild Adventures koozie or Wild Adventures holographic sticker. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to your channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.